Hi, so TechSmith makes a lot of different products. I used to be really in favor of Jing, one of their products. However, Snagit's a little bit better now, and Snagit used to only have images, now it has video, and their video is better quality than Jing. Jing has SWF videos, these are MP4 videos, so they're not nicer quality and go across platforms a little bit better. Snagit will hide and just sit up on your window here. Jing was similar to it, it had a little yellow sun hanging up there. And the Snagit itself, as you come through, goes across a lot of different programs. Chrome now is coming out with it built right in, so in fact there's a little Snagit grab right there, and you can grab an image anytime you want to, and it's already built right into Chrome. It doesn't have video capabilities on the Chrome one yet, but you can certainly do some editing and annotating, so that's nice. If you're going to buy it, make sure you go to educational pricing because it's cheaper. And you can get it for bulk as well. If you're having more than one teacher, then you can get it a little bit cheaper. Otherwise, it's $29.95 per person, and it's really worth it. I'm using Camtasia Studio right now, which is it's gone down in price, which is nice, because I need to do a video of a video. So I had to go the next step up. However, it's much more cumbersome, not as quick and easy to upload videos. So coming back to Snagit, once you've downloaded it or got a free trial, it'll automatically give you an account with something called screencast.com, also by TechSmith, and that's who's going to host all your videos, and I'll go through that in a minute. Okay, so once you've got Snagit through, it's going to have a little key over here, and you can either go for image, and if you want to grab an image, you snap whatever you want, and you can take that image, you can annotate it if you want, you can draw on it. Okay, so if you just want to show something what's going on, you can highlight it, whatever you want, and it keeps a history of your last few images along the bottom here as well, or videos, whichever you're using. So I often use it just to grab a picture of something to share with a student. Okay, you can copy that image right if you want to, then you can go ahead and open Microsoft Word or any other program and paste that image right in if you want to. So that's a nice way of doing things with images. However, if you can do it with an image, you can even do more with a video, I think. So here's that image pasted. Okay. People used to use print screen all the time and then crop to see what they wanted, because print screen would take a picture of your entire screen. The only problem is when you crop, people can uncrop as well, and so just be careful of that. So let's come back to, if an image is good, a video's got to be better. So if I want to take a video, I'm just going to switch to video mode. I'm going to click on my capture, grab a video. Jing used to have a limit of 5 minutes, and I don't like going over 5 minutes anyway, but this one lets me do more. I let me grab my video. So again, only what's inside this film strip is what's being recorded. Anything outside is not going to work, okay? And from in that video, you can do whatever you want. You can move around, you can talk, you can bring in other things as well. So you can open up other things and bring them inside the box. You can pause your video, get what you want to do, and then open your video and then record your video again. When you're done recording, you're going to hit stop. It's going to give you a preview in this Snagit editor again. So again, only what's inside this film. And then you can go and you can upload it to YouTube if you like. If you have a YouTube account, you can upload it to screencast.com, their own hosting site. I like to do that. I give some options where I like to suggest, there's my email, I always prompt for my same stuff. I've got a default folder, and there's lots of different folders you can have. You can add new folders from here as well if you want to. So I like to separate them out as I teach from year to year. And I like to prompt for a file name as well. And so I'll just cancel that. So I'm going to go ahead and do clip URL or an HTML embed code. It's your option. If I take the embed code, it's going to prompt me for a file name. I can say where I want to put it. I'll put it in my temp folder, for example, and I can type whatever file name I want in, and it's going to upload. As it's uploading, I can move around and decide what I want to do that embed video, and we show that in some of our other programs, or you could have used the URL code as well. So it's uploaded, the embed code is ready to be pasted wherever I want to. I can also go back and find all my stuff, as I mentioned, in screencast.com, and it has a login, and here are all my videos. Okay, so I got 1,500 videos or so, and in this view I can see my most recent video is coming up in here, and from those videos I can do a few things. I can share, and I can grab the URL code or an embed code or an embed link. I can also, if I want to, I can go into details mode, and I can see how many times something was viewed and the bandwidth it takes and the titles. Okay, so I just did something for a student and they obviously haven't watched that video yet, but I can tell who's watched which video and when. And that's the basics of Snagit. You can watch all your different folders as you go down through the non-beta view. You can go ahead and take a folder and you can go to this edit button, and from there you can change your privacy to viewers need the URL in order to see the hidden folder, and they can only see what's in there, okay? Or in the beta view, I'll cancel that. In the beta view you can do the similar thing from a folder. And if I take one of my folders, whoops, nothing in that one, I can go here and edit that folder so I can change the privacy settings and make sure it's hidden. They default to public, but then anybody can see anything you have in there, so I like hidden. You can go to password protected, but then they have to type that password in every time. Okay, thanks.